So there is the circle, there is the dots. Two circles of green you have to join. Two circles of blue you have to join, and single green circles you have to join, and this red color you have to join. But the rule is here: the line should not cross. The line should not cross. So line should not cross when you join. Because if you join and the line will cross, that is not the method. There are four types. First two dots you have to say similar dots, you have to match them. These two are similar, you have to join them, and these two are also similar, and these two are also similar. So total four types.
I know how to do it. Wait, does it have to go in the circle?
You can join in inside the circle only, not outside. And the line should not cross.
I've got an idea. So connect them normally. Connect all of the three normally.
Which one? Which color? First, blue or not?
Blue, we have to connect them.
Yes, I can join blue.
Okay, then connect the green one.
Which green? Single circle or double circle?
Double circle.
Okay.
Okay, and then connect the red.
Yes, red.
Okay, and then see between the
Yes.
there.
There is the space. Correct.
Connect
Correct.
the-
Yes. Okay. This one is the correct map. So, come to our homework. We are doing remaining questions. I am telling the number of questions. Then one by one we solve them. So first one. So first one is the question was evaluate 6 square minus 11. Where you have problem in this 6 square minus 11. Have any difficulty? You left this question by putting the
Isn't that what? No, 25. 25.
Yes, of course. Because 6 square is 36. 6 6 ja 36.
I forgot what evaluate meant.
Okay. The question is saying evaluate. Second, the incomplete question is the question was express 15 rupees 30 paisa in decimal. So you write 15.50. So that is the 30. Okay, no problem. Next is simplify. Next one is simplify. Numbers are 2a plus 3b minus a plus b. You also have cross here, question mark here. Is there any problem here? 2a plus 3b minus a plus b. 2a plus 3b minus a plus b.
I don't know.
Okay, now look. Look the similarity here. The similarity is here. You have to identify the variables. Here is a, here is a. Okay. So and similarly, 3b and 1b. Okay. So you can say 2a minus a. You write down as it is, but the nearer are a terms. Now 3b and b we also write in nearer. So these are neighbor. A terms are neighbor and B terms are neighbor. Now look, this is the problem of 3 plus 1. There is 1b, there is plus 3b, plus 1b plus 3b. So this is the simple problem of 3 plus 1. It is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 and we put b as it is. Now this is the 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1a is not a. So this is the answer. Bigger side. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is the answer. Simplifies the answer. Clear?
Clear.
So like these are called like terms. A are like terms. B are like terms. So we write first nearer and then we find the sum. Next, very simple problem, but you again have question mark. Add 5 by 6 plus 1 by 4. You have question mark here also. You do not solve. This is the problem of LCM. The denominator are here 6 and 4. So we take LCM. In addition and subtraction we take LCM. Compare, addition, subtraction, they need LCM. So what is the LCM of 6 and 4?
12.
Correct, 12. So to make it 12 first term, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 because 6 2 are 12. And to make it 12 second term, we multiply here 3 because 4 3 are 12. Now numerator become 5 2 are 10, 6 2 are 12, 3 1 are 3, 4 3 are 12. So now denominator is same. After writing the denominator one time only.
If you have to convert it into a mixed fraction, would it be 1 and 1/12?
Yes, numerator is larger, so we convert into mixed fraction. 1 complete 1 by 12. Okay, next is here. The problem is word problem. 12th number. A shop gives 20% discount on a rupees 150 item. A shop gives 20% discount on rupees on a rupees 150 item. Then charges 5% GST. Then charges 5% GST. This is the tax. GST is a tax on the discounted. On the discounted. What is the final price? What is the final price? Would you know? First, we find the discount. We can say there is a 20% discount. It means the value of that item is 80% because 20% are we are neglecting. Shopkeeper discounting is 20%. So it means 80% is charging. So what is 80%? So items after discount price will be items price after discount. Items price after discount is 80% of 150 because 20% is discounting. So 100 we have total 100 in percentage. So 80 100 minus 20 is 80. So 80% of
30, like the discount price.
Okay, discount is 30 and other way we can say 120 150 minus 30. 30 is discount, so 150 minus 30 that means 120 rupees. So 120 we can directly find out by taking the 80% value. 80% value is left because 20% is discounting. Total is 100% value. So 150 is 80% is 120. So now the price item is 120. Now that second charges is here, GST. GST is 5%. So 5% of discounted price. So discounted price is 120. 125 ja is 600. So GST is rupees 6. So total price after taking the GST, so net price comes, we add GST and 120. So net price comes 126. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So this, there is the two types of percentage here. First for discount and second for GST. And here we add in the last, GST is a tax and tax is added in the final price. So final price increases by taking by tax. Next, 13th question. A picture of Jai's fish tank has dimension length. A picture of Jai's fish tank fish tanks has dimension. Dimension means size. So dimensions is length 48 inch and breadth width 14 inch. Height is 10 inch. If he fills the tank up to the 2 inch below the top, how many cubic inches of water are in the tank? So height we take because 2 inch below the water level. So 10 is the total height. So below the 2 of below 2, it means 8 inch. Height will be filled is 8 inch. The question is, if he fills below 2 inch of total height, so that means 8 inch is the height that is filled with the water. So how many cubic? So how many cubic inch is there of water? So this is the volume. This is called volume problem. Volume is 3D and in 3D volume can be obtained by using the formula length into breadth into height. So length is given 48, breadth is given width, that means 14, and height is 8 because 10 minus 2 is 8. It will give the final answer. So 48 into 14, first we multiply 48 into 14, 112, 11 carry 14 4 ja 67, 672 into 8, 5376 inch cube. This is the volume, cubic inch. Clear? This is the volume problem. Length into breadth into height, 3 dimension we can find out by multiplying these three numbers. Length and height and breadth. This is the multiplication term here we use in the volume. Area is 2D, so we in area we use 2 times multiply. Volume is 3D, so we multiply 3 times. Next, 14th problem. You have also question mark in the question number 14. Question 14 is, if a rectangle is dilated by a scale factor of 2, and its original perimeter is 38 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the new rectangle? This is the good problem. This, if a rectangle is dilated by a scale factor of 2, and its original perimeter is original perimeter is 38 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the new rectangle? What is the perimeter of new rectangle? Can you find out this one? So there is a word dilated. A rectangle is dilated by scale factor of 2. Do you know meaning of this sentence?
Um,
If a rectangle is
what does dilated mean?
if a rectangle is dilated by scale factor of 2 and its original perimeter 38, what is perimeter? So here is dilated means increasing or decreasing. There are two so perimeter dilated means increasing. Dilated means increasing. Since here is the perimeter 38, this is the original rectangle. Suppose after dilated means increasing the size. So increasing it two times. Two times means double. Breadth is double, length is double. Is it clear? So here is the perimeter 38. Now perimeter also become double. New perimeter becomes 2 times of 38 because dilated 2 times. So 76, 38 to the 76. So new perimeter is 76 centimeter. Is it clear?
Yes.
So dilated, yes, dilated means only increasing. Here the size is increasing. Only this is the multiply by 2 because 2 is the factor that is for dilation. Next question number 15. A customer buys a book. A customer buys a book with an original price of with an original price of rupees 38, discounted by 25%. So this is a 25% discount, and pays a 6% sale tax. This is another type of tax on the item. Name is sale tax on the discounted price. What is the total amount paid? What is the total amount paid? So customer, this is similar to previous one. Customer buys a book with an original price of 38. This is the original price 38 and discount. A customer buys a book with an original price of 38. discounted by 25% and pays rupees 6% sale tax on the discounted price. So a customer buys a book with an original price of 38 discounted by 25% and pays a 6% sale tax on the discounted price. What is the total amount paid? So first we find the discounted price. Since discounted is 25%, so what is the purchasing after 25% discount means the remaining price is 75%. That will give the by customer. So discounted price. First we find discounted price. Discounted price is 75% of 38. So what is 75% of 38? It is 28.5. 28.5. Discounted price is 28.5. Now the sale tax is 6%. On this 28.5, sale tax is 6%. So 6% is tax. So 100% plus 6%. That means 106. So final purchasing price is 106%. So purchasing price we find out, or net price we called sometimes. So 106 over 100 multiply 28 over 0.5. So here first we multiply 106 and 28.5, then divide by 100. It will final answer. So what is multiplication answer of 106 and 285? This is the 3-digit multiplication. 6 5 are 30, 3 5 1 cross, 8 4 6 are 48, 8. Now double cross 2. This is give us 212. Add them 30210 and one decimal is there. So 3021.0 upon 100. So it gives us 30.21. Final price is rupees 30.21. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So in this way, first paper 13 question, 15 question is completed, and next we are coming next problem. Next was again first question in the next paper. The question was what is the value of in first bracket minus 31 divide in the rectangle bracket minus 30 then plus minus 1. So in rectangle bracket we get minus 30 minus 1 minus 31. In rectangle bracket we get minus 31. In first bracket there is minus 31. So minus 31 divide minus 31, it gives us 1. Next one more problem. Second, I think problem number 3. Problem number 3 is if p equal to 2, find the value of 3p square minus 2p plus 1. 3p square minus 2p plus 1. Where you have problem in the... Can you tell first step?
We do 3 um, 2 square. So that means 4 times 3 equals 12.
Yes.
Or 2
Yes. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Yes.
equals 8 plus 9.
Yes, you write the you write the 2-digit, 3-digit number, I think. Check your answer. You Next one is, which of the following is a rational number? The question number 4, which of the following is rational number? So rational number are always written in P upon Q form. So there are 4 option was given. 4 option A, B, C, D. And first option was square root 2, second option pi, third option is 3 over 4.
I didn't know what it meant.
Which of... So pi is irrational number. Remember it. Pi is irrational number. Square root 2 is irrational number. Square root 3 is irrational number. All number that written in the square root, this is called square root sign. They are called irrational number.
3, 4.
Yes, 3 over 4. The normal numerator denominator number is called rational number. Clear? Is it clear? Only this is the asking in question. Now, how we find the square root? Look, the square root, why is square root irrational number? Why square root 3 is irrational number? Look, the value of square root 2. This is 2. Okay, this is called long division square root method. This is called long division square root method. I write after decimal, I have many zeros, infinite zero I can write if I need. So I write 3 pairs of zeros. It means 6 0 after decimal I write. Okay, so this is the 2, and we are finding the here square root of 2. We are finding the value of square root 2. So square root 2 value we are finding. So first in square root, this is the division method. So in division method, normal we divide 2 1 ja 2, but here we use squares. Here we use squares. 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4. So here is 1 1 ja 1 we write down because 2 2 ja 4 is larger. So this is the divide of square root. So 2 minus 1 is 1. This is the quotient. This quotient is added in the divisor. So it becomes 1 plus 1, 2. Now this pair of 0 comes down. This decimal is shifting in the numerator. And this pair of 0 comes down. Now the right side of the 2, this addition sum is 2. So right side of 2 is empty space. And we have to fill such a number. We have to fill number and such that the if I fill here 0, I will have to multiply by 0. If I fill here 1, I have to multiply by 1. Similarly, if I fill here 2, I have to multiply by 2. So I can say the multiply answer. If I fill 3, I have to multiply by 3. So the number that is smaller than this 100, I have to find out first. Clear? So